Alright, page 34, looking at the first example and using this key to tell what these represent, it says that a -1 tile is worth -1. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of -1, that is where this -5 comes from. And to use a similar process, 1 is 1, 4 of those equals +4. If you add that up, you get -1. Now this example here, using variables, this box represents an x variable. There are 2 of those, and that's why they have 2x. There is one -x box, and this gives us the -x here. There are 4 1s, which give us the 4. You could write that in different ways. You could do 2x plus this -x box plus the 4, or x plus -x plus 4, this bottom example, plus 4. But all of these three expressions, if you add them up, which means 2x take away 1x, or kind of like this x and this x cancel out to leave you with 1x, and then the 4 just stays the same here. So now I'll try number 1 here. We have a total of 3 x's, so I'll start with 3x. We have a total of 2 -x's, so I can write -2x. We have a total of 2 -1s, so I can do plus -2, or I could just do -2. If I simplify this, which kind of means canceling out these pairs that are opposites, -x and x are opposites, so I'll cancel them out. Same with these. And I'm left with x and then -2, or x minus 2. Alright, looking at this one, I'm going to have 2 x's and then 4 -x's. So 2x minus 4x. If I cancel these out, I'm left with -2x. And that should make sense because 2 minus 4 is -2, and what we're talking about are groups of x. So -2x is the answer for that one. Over here, we've got 1x minus 2 negative, so 2 -x's for -2x, and 2 -1s. If we cancel out this pair, we're left with -x minus 2. And finally, over here we've got 3 x's, 2 -x's, we've got +2 for here, and -3. So, if we start canceling some things out, we can do this pair here, and also this one and this one. We're left with 1x, and here we can also cancel out some of these 1s. Maybe these 2 and these 2. Left with just -1. So my paper's moving around. Alright, so we can see how this should make sense, hopefully. If we have 3 x's take away 2 x's, we're left with 1. And if we have 2 minus 3, that gives us -1.